Hi class, I'm here with Xavi Renom, the founder of Justinmind, one of the software tools that we recommend for the class that we're teaching today. So we're going to ask him a couple questions and then he's going to show us some cool things we can do with this product. Remember, the idea is to create a prototype very quickly so you can get market feedback and decide if you want to keep going with your product. So Xavi, first of all, thank you for hanging out with us today. Also, thank you for providing the software for us that we're going to use in our class to prototype ideas. I guess the first question I have from you is, what is Justinmind Prototyper? What is this tool?
Well, we sell a prototyping platform to create high fidelity prototypes to define web and mobile applications, basically. So you can define your applications building a high fidelity wireframe. So you don't need to start coding, just build the prototype, then you feel confident with the prototype, and then you can
get feedback.
Yeah, and move to the real application, having almost all the points fixed before I start to build the real thing.
So, okay, so I don't need to be a developer then, so I can actually
exactly. Yeah, you don't need to be a developer. Developers are welcome because they probably knows more deeply all the it's easy for them to use the tool probably. But on the other side, you don't need to learn any programming language to use our platform. So it's completely programming free, so you can start using it, create all the interactions with no need to learn any programming language. That's a big difference with other tools because in fact you can build a prototype with any kind of tool, right? A prototype is simply a mock-up before to create the real application. But the big point with Prototyper is that you can go as far as you want building your prototype. You can build very simple prototypes, just clickable to go from one screen to the other. But you can also build a high fidelity prototype that can simulate real applications.
I can swipe on a screen.
You can swipe. You can make
with your tool.
interactions.
I don't know.
No, you can do that. And well, I can show you later all the swipe and all of that. It's really very easy.
Sounds good. To develop a product like this, because this is a class where we teach people how to quickly prototype their ideas. How did you know that there was a need for this product? How did you develop this product?
Well, the point is that we were in the software industry, right? We make tailored software applications customized for specific clients, right? And we see this need, the need to start, to conceptualize an application before I start all the developing process, because the old way to do that is with a requirements document. So you write in your document what's the need in the customer. You can keep doing that, right? But later the problem is that they don't know exactly what they want. Customers, they don't know exactly what they want. They know what they don't want, right? So when you show something, then they can say, okay, that's what I don't have that in my mind. It's another thing. But the point is that their minds start working when you show something. So it's the best way to close the definition process, because it's not enough. And the words are very misunderstood, right? We can work in the same document, writing just one document, but you think, what you have in your mind and what I have in my mind is different. So, but when you show something, there's no problem.
There's no problem because people can see the actual product.
Exactly. That's a big thing.
And it's working because you have some of the top clients in the world. You have Honeywell, you have Google is a customer. Everybody knows Google, and you have Intuit, Oracle, IRS, and even NASA uses your product. So obviously it's working, and you've got the clients you're coming for it. How did you know people would pay for this service? So you built the service. How did you figure out a price point? That's one of the hardest things to do when you have a piece of...
To fix the price, it was really very difficult. Yeah, because you have other tools in the market that are, for example, the Adobe Creative Cloud now. For example, now with the subscriptions, we have a top price that is the Adobe Creative Cloud, because they provide more than... They don't have any prototyping tool, but they provide a lot of creative.
You see what other people are paying online.
Exactly. So you cannot, even if you think that the product it has some price, you have to put the price in comparing with other sources.
What the market will pay.
Exactly. And on the other side, it depends on the kind of the customer. For example, we sell online, so big customers and small customers buy your products. So for sure, big companies should pay more for the product.
For the same product?
Yeah, they should pay more. Why? Because the price, it's what the customer what they get, what he gets from the product. That's the way that you have to put the price,
not return.
Exactly, the return. And for a big company, the return is really very high, right? But on the other side, if you sell online, you only can have one price.
Okay.
If you want to make per play, right? If you want to make per play, you need to you have to have only one price. So that's the problem.
That's tricky. That's
it's a problem.
But hopefully you can get it on volume, so your price is very low for the product.
Exactly. But it's very easy to extend the product inside the company. Even big companies, they can start buying few licenses, but later it's very easy that more people enroll with the product, and it's more easy than engagement.
That makes sense. So actually, internally it grows by word of mouth, and more people sign up for it.
Yeah, and if it's a very high product, a very high priced product, it's more difficult.
Okay. And before you show us how to use the product, again, thank you for giving us a demo. What advice would you have to people who are trying to realize their ideas and monetize their ideas, be it a software program or even a hardware, even if it's a fixed product?
Okay.
What advice do you have?
Well, the advice that I have is that it's very important to talk with people. But it's a thing that we didn't do that at the beginning, but we are fixing that, and we are talking about now with our customers. So the point is talk with the people, and I think that all the customer development methodology based in Steve Plan, it's a very good one. Using the customer discovery and customer validation. So the first thing is talk with the people, trying to become the customer. For example, in our case, we were really close to the real customer because we were developers. But what we are seeing now is that our product is used by a lot of people that we really don't know what they do in the every day in their life when they are working, and we need to know that. So what we are doing now, talk to the customer. I think that it's really very very important. I think that it's the most important thing. And the other thing is that it's 50% of you need to have a good luck.
Good luck. Okay. Yeah.
Because that's very important. Because and if you for example, if you see Google, other companies, and these big companies, if you see what they have done, 50% or even 100%, in more cases, it has been to have a good luck. Because, for example, Twitter now, they don't know how they monetize, right?
Yeah.
So
good luck, guys, as well. But also focus on the client. Xavi, thank you very much. We'll get into the product and show us how it works.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much.